Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to prepare very delicious potato pakoras. I'm going to prepare two types of potato pakoras. One, I'm going to prepare, you have to slice the potatoes like this. This will be the thickness of the potatoes. And here you have to cube the potatoes. So two types of potato pakoras that I'm going to prepare today, and the ingredients that we require are, I have taken one big potato and I have sliced it like this, washed it nicely. Here I have taken two medium-sized potatoes and I have cubed them. Then here I am going to use black cumin seeds, water, this is besan, gram flour that I'm going to use. I'll use besan as much as we require for these pakoras. Salt as per our taste. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Oil for frying the pakoras. So now let us get started first. So what I'm going to do is, first friends, I will add little besan to these cubed potatoes. So we'll add little besan, little black cumin seeds, little bit of salt because water will come out from these potatoes after adding salt, and we'll just toss it like this. These are yummy evening snacks that you can prepare with easily available ingredients at home. And we'll just leave it aside for some time. Meanwhile, we will prepare the potato, these sliced potatoes ones. So here with the leftover gram flour besan, we will add salt to this besan. We have not added any salt in these sliced potatoes. We will add the black cumin seed in this. We'll add little bit of red chili powder. This is the spicy red chili powder, friends. You can skip this if you don't want your pakora to be spicy. And I'm going to add water and we'll make it into a batter now. So now friends, I have heated oil for pakora and here is my batter ready. So now what I'll do, I will take little bit of oil, this hot oil, and I'll add it to my batter. And then I will again beat this. What will happen? My pakoras will be nice, crispy and fluffy. So I will mix this hot oil in this besan. So now I will take these sliced potatoes. I have not added anything in these potatoes. They are just sliced and washed. I'll add them in the mixture. Nicely coat it, and then I will put them into the hot oil. We'll repeat the same with other potato slices also. We'll put them into the hot oil. Nicely coat and put it. Now friends, we'll fry it till it becomes nice and brown. As you can see, it's becoming nice and fluffy. We'll cook both the sides. So now these pakoras are ready. I have taken one plate and put one kitchen towel into it, and I will take these pakoras out now. I will repeat the same with the next sets of potatoes. I have here dipped these potatoes into this batter. So I'll repeat the same. So here friends, these pakoras are ready. Now we'll move on to this pakora. This was the remaining batter from the previous pakora, so I'll add this here. After adding this, I will mix this potato also. Friends, in this potato you can make these pakora with the peels on it. Now this is ready to fry. So we'll take it in the spoons like this and we'll drop it in the oil. You can take 2 pieces, 3 pieces. See, as it is getting together, you can just put them into hot oil. Now, after putting all the potatoes in the hot oil, we will cook them so that they can become nice and crispy over a medium flame. Cook on all the sides. So friends, these pakoras are also fried. Here also I have taken one plate and placed a kitchen towel on that, and now I will take these pakoras out. So friends, here is our pakoras ready. You can savor them with any kind of sauce. I have taken here tomato ketchup, chili sauce. You can use tamarind sauce. You can use a green chutney. Anything. Quick and easy potato snacks. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. And yeah, as you can see them, they are nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Potatoes are also cooked well. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.